Hi everyone, and welcome to a really exciting video. Those of you that are teachers or work in education that have been following me will know that for the last year or so I've not stopped banging on about a book, Write It, Level It, Teach It, which I've been working on with Sage Corwin as a publisher. And the day has finally come where the first proof copies have arrived through my letterbox. So I am so excited. I started to open them and I realised what they were because I wasn't quite sure what the package was. So I thought, actually, you know what, I'm going to save this. I'm going to do a kind of an unboxing video so we can have a look together to see what they are like. I am so excited to see these. So thank you to Amy and to Chris who have worked with me all the way through this to make sure that everything looks as good as it can. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. I'm also trying to record this on 2 different cameras, so that will be interesting to see how it works out as well. So, open it up. So, first impressions are, I think they look absolutely amazing. So this is, I would say, semi-gloss, so it's not fully gloss, it's not fully matte, it's got a nice semi-gloss cover, really, really impressive, really bright, really vivid. The inside looks absolutely perfect, looks brilliant, really, really impressed with the kind of the layout and the typesetting of everything in here. This is the first book I've worked on where I haven't kind of sorted all of that stuff out myself. So it's great to work with professionals doing this and see how they've done it as well. So it looks absolutely fantastic. The book is split into 3 sections. The first book, Write It, what are model texts and where might you use them? So we look at, you know, what the model texts are in your classroom, why you might be using them, why you might be downloading ones online, which is absolutely fine. This isn't to say don't use online resources. They're amazing. You know, they're there for a reason. But also to have a look at how you can create your own and make the ones that you create more effective, more impactful, and just generally work better for you. And then section 2 is all about reading levels and looking at reading levels with the content that you create. So not just reading books, but the content that you are putting in front of your class that you have authored, how you can use reading levels to help with that. And then the third section is all about how to do all of that and save time, how to create your own content more effectively, more efficiently, and how to work as a school to create kind of banks of content that you can use that will save you all time, because, you know, your workload is huge anyway. You need to save as much time as you can. So that's how the book is split down. It looks amazing. I'm really, really impressed. It's nice, and it's got a nice size to it. It's not too daunting, but also it's not really, really thin. I can't say any more, really. I am mega, mega impressed. If you're interested in pre-ordering this for the beginning of July, you can head to Amazon or any other bookstore. You can head to mattbeaton.co.uk/shop, which is my website. Everybody who orders through there will get one of these bookmarks as well, which has just got a list of books from year 3, 4, 5, and 6 by their reading age. So not their content, but their actual reading age level for that book. So you might just use them in different year groups, but it's just a handy guide to have there as well. So that's just something that you'll get if you pre-order through my website, which is at the link below. I'll put it in the comments as well. Yeah, I'm not really anything else to say. Really, really pleased with how they have come out. Thank you to everybody at Corwin and at Sage who have worked with me tirelessly throughout this and put up with my endless questions. I'm really, really excited now for these to kind of reach you lot out there as readers and to get your feedback and see what you think to it. So thanks very much, and head over there and pre-order your copy now.